Hi, myself Ganesh Swami. So today I am going to introduce about our company. So our company is Mehta Cad Cam System Private Limited. So basically it's put up in Ahmedabad, and we are the one of the leading manufacturer in India for the laser metal cutting machine. So today we are participating in the exhibition HIMTEX. About this exhibition, there are many customers are coming to purchase the new machines, and we have a good experience. We are getting good things. The customers are willing to purchase compared to previously. Previously, the people are willing to purchase about the other import and export machines, but now the people are willing to purchase the Indian Make in India machine. So that is the reason we are promoting our Indian manufacturer company. About this HITEX exhibition center, there are many people came into this exhibition. So organizer is supporting is good. What about the coordination we are getting from the organizer, from the management? It is very good, and thanks to the organizer.